see the new concept? No. What is the new concept? What is the new concept? Yes, we are going to see the plants. We are going to see the plants. Okay, baby? Okay. Do you know what is the plants? Do you know what is the plants? Come on. Yes. See, these plants give us food, right? These plants give us food. Everyone eating daily vegetables and fruits, no? Yes? Yes. These plants give us fruits, vegetables and flowers. Okay, baby? These are the things we are getting from the plants. What are the things the plants give us? What are the things plants give us? Fruits, vegetables and flowers. Okay, baby? Okay? Everyone is clear? This is a plant. Plants give us food, vegetables and flowers. Okay? Okay. We have a body parts. We have a body parts. Yes, head, eyes, nose, mouth. Like this, we have a parts in our body, no? Is it so? Yes. Same like the plants also have a parts, no? Is it? Yes. See? Same like we have a body parts. This plants also have a parts. Okay? Let's see what are the parts in a plants. Let's see, baby. Come on. See, what is this plant? What is this plant? See, what is this plant? Root. What is this plant? Root. What is this plant? Root. See, what is this plant? What is this? What is this? This is a stem. See everyone, see. What is this plant? What is this plant? This is a root. What is this, baby? Root. This is, what is this plant? Stem. See, what is this? Stem. What is this? Stem. What is this? Stem. See, what is this, baby? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is a leaf. What is this? This is a leaf. Okay. See, root, stem, leaf and these are the branches. What are these, baby? These are the branches. Okay. Everybody tell me, what is this? Root, stem, leaf and branches. Okay, baby. These are the parts in the plants. Okay. See, what is the color of the root? See, everyone look at this. Everyone look at this. What is the color of the root? It is a, yes, it is a brown color, no? It is a light brown color. Is it, no? Everyone see close. Everyone look at this closely. See, what is the color of the root? What is the color of the root? It is a brown color. Everyone look at the stem. Everyone look at the stem. Everyone look at the stem. What is the color? What is the color? This is also brown color. This is also brown color. See, what is the color of the leaf, baby? What is the color of the leaf? This is a green color. This is a green color. Okay, kids? See, in our home, you two all take one plant. I have to read like this. You have to check it whether root is brown color, the stem is brown color, then leaf is green. Now we'll finish what are the parts in a plant. Okay, see, this is a grown up plant, correct? This is a grown up plant. Okay, do you know how this plant will be grown up? Do you know, baby, how this plant will be grown up? What is the first stage for this plant? Do you know, baby? Everyone knows? Okay, let's see that one. Come on, come. See, what is this, baby? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is a seed. What is this, baby? This is a seed. Okay, see, come on. This is a seed. Okay, now we are seeing how the plants will be grown up. Okay, if we want grown up the plants, first we have to put the seed. What is this, baby? This is a seed. Okay, kids, where we want to put the seed? It is in the water and in the soil. Yes, we want to put the seed in the soil. We want to put seed in the soil. Okay, you take the soil and you have to put the seed in the soil. Okay, what is the first step? You have to take the seed and put it in the soil. Okay, if you put the seed, after that what we get? What we get? Come on, what we get, baby? See, first step we get the root. What is the first part will develop? What is the first part will develop? Root. See, from the seed, see, after putting the seed, what part will be grown up? The root will be grown up. Okay, after putting the seed, this root will be grown up. Okay, okay, kids, see, come on. After that, what we'll get? After that, what we'll get? See, first is seed. From the seed, we get the root. See, from the seed, we get the root. Then we'll get the small leaf. Okay baby, then we get the small leaf. Okay, then what we'll get next step? What we'll get? See, come on, see what we'll get. What we'll get? See, what does from the leaf we'll get the stem. See, first we'll get only small leaf. From the leaf we'll get the stem. What is this baby? Stem. Then from the stem we'll get the mud. What is this baby? We get the bud. What is this baby? We get the bud. See, next we'll get the final plants. Then we get the final plants like this. See, we get the final plants like this. We get the final plants like this. Everyone is clear? See, now you can see the parts of plant in this plant. Come, what is this? This is a root. See, stem, leaf, branches and flower. Okay, these are the stages the plants will be grown up. These are the stages the plants will be grown up. Everyone is clear? See, next, what are the things we need to grow up the plant? Only we put the seed, that is enough to grow up the plant? Is it so? No. So we need a sunlight and rain. We need a sunlight and rain. Okay, these are the main things to grow up the plants. Okay, once you put the seed in the soil, we need, what is this baby? Sunlight and rain. Okay, these are the stages the plants will be grown up. Everyone is clear? What is the first step? Seed. From the seed we'll get root. Okay, seed, from the seed root, then we get the small leaf, then stem, branches and bud. See, finally we get the plants with the flower. Okay baby, today I cover what is the plant, what are the parts in a plant, then how the plants will be grown up. Everyone, you have to recall this.
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I am a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plant so it doesn't fall. I am a stem and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots, to them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green. In many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight, just like you I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful or white. I have very sweet nectar in me, that's loved by birds, butterflies and bees. I am a fruit from a flower I grow. I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry, I'll try to be more careful next time.